this is Jackie with West Coast Connects, and I just wanted to shoot you over a quick little video just to show you guys a few ways that you could increase business using your website and Google Business Profile. All of this can be done in-house. After the video, only thing I'm asking for is some feedback, whether or not it's helpful. So hopefully you find it educational. So go ahead and get started. I have your website pulled up, and we'll kind of take a look at that. I love the vehicle. That looks really good. And I love Nashville, by the way. So let's see, scrolling down. Okay, so initially my biggest suggestion would be to add some content on here. And what that is, it's just the words on the page that explain what you do, the services that you offer, and the areas that you offer those services in. But within the content, you want to add the keywords that you want to be found for, things that people are Googling in your area so they can go to your site and you can get more eyes on your site. More eyes equal more leads. So I would definitely suggest adding the content to your homepage and your back pages as well. Up top, I would have a click to call. That really helps with conversions. Somebody can just click right up here where it's obvious. This over here is kind of small. I'm sure it looks a little bit different on mobile. And then also it really helps if you have a form submit up top somewhere. That helps with conversions as well. And then another tip would be when you're adding photos to your website to save them as keywords, because those count as content as well. So I input your information into a tool that I use called Ahrefs, and we'll look at the numbers here, basically the analytics of your site, a little website audit, and the UR and the DR. So that's the strength and the trust that your site has with Google. This is on a scale of 100. So you want to keep these constantly moving up and pretty balanced. So right now it's on the lower end. And if you implement some of these tips, it's going to help increase these numbers. So currently you guys have 15 backlinks coming from 7 referring domains or websites. Now, what a backlink is, it's your website linked to another site that points direction back to you. But not all backlinks are created equal. Some are spammy and some are more authoritative. So you really want to go after the links that are more authoritative and relevant to the niche that you're in, that are going to actually send power to your site. And I'll show you in comparison to some of your competitors to give you an idea. Right now, your guys are coming up for 3 keywords and you're not getting any organic traffic to the site. So basically, as of right now, it's just a digital business card. So if we look at some of the keywords that you guys are coming up for, really the only kind of good one would be like roof inspections Nashville. Now there's 30 people a month that look that up and you're in the 32nd position. Best roofer in Nashville, there are 30 searches a month for that, and you are in the 83rd position, so kind of both those are in the back 40. So if we Google roofing company Nashville, what comes up first is the Google guaranteed ads. And this is really great to go and get. It takes a little bit of time to do that, but it's going to help you save money, like cost per click. And when you're running ads, this is going to really help bring in business quickly. So then what comes up next is the map pack. And this is so imperative to come up in the top 3. You're going to get about 30 to 40% of traffic clicking on your website or giving you a call right from here. So there's a few tips that you can implement that would help bring up your ranking for your Google Business Profile. First thing would be to add as many reviews as possible. The next thing to do would be to comb throughout your whole business profile and make sure everything is correct, and that same hours, same address, same phone number across, all your social media and any citations you might have. There's a 750 character about us at the bottom that should be completely filled out, and add some keywords in that as well. I would post branded photos every week, a couple a week, and then also post geolocated or geotagged photos in that as well. There's also what I mentioned, citations. That's your business name, address, and phone number in things like Yellow Pages and Yelp. And Google is a big popularity contest. So you want to go out and give your information to as many people as possible. And when you do that, Google starts to trust you more. And it's going to help your Google business profile, and it's going to help the organic ranking as well. So then we go into the organics. The top competitor is Nashville Roofing Company. So if we take a look at their site, it's pretty basic, nothing outlandish or crazy, but they are ranking and getting a lot of traffic. They do have a click to call there, request a quote. They don't really have a form to fill out, and they also don't have much content, which plays in your favor. So by implementing that, it would definitely help you move up and take some of the traffic that they have. So if we look at their numbers, right now they have 387 backlinks coming from 140 referring domains. So a good plan of action would be to match the amount of referring domains that they have and then beat them out by at least 100. I would do that in any locations that you are servicing surrounding Nashville. So they are coming up for 194 keywords, and they're getting about 882 organic traffic a month to their site. So if you're able to take their spot, that's a lot of traffic coming to your site and a lot of leads. So then if we look at some of the keywords like roofing company, Nashville, Tennessee, there are 300 searches a month for that. Nashville Roofing Company, there's 600 searches, another 600 here, another 350, 150, 600, 150. So just in that handful of examples, there is a ton of volume in Nashville. There's a ton of people Googling and looking for roofing companies. So basically, once you start to get ranked for this, a percentage of that total volume is going to go to your site, and then a percentage of that is going to give you a call, and depending on your closing rate, turn into a customer. So I hope this was insightful, and if you guys implement this, that would be amazing for you. I would absolutely love to hear your feedback. Thanks so much.